Okay, so we will take a look at how to integrate Google Sheet with Trello board. So any content that is posted within the table of Google Sheet, I will be syncing that with Trello board. So one of the board gets updated there with value. So this is my Google spreadsheet with top header being frozen, and I want to sync one of the row here with Trello board. So this is Trello board. I will click on it, and here as you can see one of these entries I will just archive to show you empty board. So this Zapier one I will sync. So I will go back to Zapier, then go to home. There you have this AI prompt. I will type in sync Google Sheets to Trello board. Hit enter, and here you can see sync one of these items. So you can use create card alternatively to say that we are adding one of the card to existing board here, right? So we'll go back, try this one, let's see what happens. So once both triggers are given to us, we'll have to sync the accounts. Make sure to add the accounts for both Google Sheet, Trello inside. Continue with connected account, go to click spreadsheet, then worksheet you have, click continue, test your trigger, right, and then move to next selected record. Here I will add, so add or create card on a specific board and list. So we will continue. Now here we need to find the board, then we need to choose the list, which is Zapier list. Finally I will add name, so name, then I will add a description, which is content, then finally I will just scroll to the bottom and continue and not add too much data, just these two entries. Now let's test this app. If everything works with connection, then publish. Once publish, we will get message and pop up like this. That is our clue to go to Trello board, right? So click on that. Here you see that new entry is added, so Maggie and description. So we managed to add one of the board to the list, right? So this is the card, sorry, entire board, then list, and then card, right? So we managed to do this with Zapier.